Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your Calendly booking page. So first, in Calendly, you want to choose which event or meeting you want to customize. For me, it's going to be this meeting. So I'm just going to click on the three dots options over here, then click on edit, and then you can customize already your meeting over here. You can change the name of your meeting. I'm going to put tutorial just for the sake of the video, and you can also change the color of the meeting, which is the color that appears here at the edge of the event. And then you can also adjust the duration of your meeting. I'm going to put 45 minutes, and then for the location, you can set this up either as in-person, phone call, or it could be also an online conference via Zoom. Or if you click on the all options button, you can see the other online conferencing software that you can use. And as for the availability, it says here that invitees can schedule 60 days into the future with at least 4 hours. So it's important that you've already have your availability set up so that the invitees can know where they can schedule a meeting with you. And then in the invite limit, you can also just adjust that to how many invitees can join your meeting. And then just want to go ahead and click on the save changes, and you can just go ahead and close the tab, and that's it. Thanks for watching.